3-piece pressure regulator. Adjust the internal cooking pot pressure. No accessories, 5 pounds. Add 1 ring, 10 pounds. Add 2 rings, 15 pounds. Free your time with 3 safe pressure regulator devices. It is easy to keep the pressure at a controllable level. You no longer need to watch the stove like a hawk, saving your time and making your cooking experience easier and more efficient. High-quality material technology to ensure our user to stay in health. 3-piece pressure regulator adopts advanced 3-layer electroplating process and high-strength environment-friendly alloy materials, so that it has high wear resistance, corrosion resistance, temperature resistance and long service life. Tips for use after the 10-minute venting period. Place the 3-piece pressure regulator on the vent pipe. Once the pressure regulator starts to rock gently, the processing time gegins. Adjust heat to maintain a slow, steady rocking motion during the process. 1-year warranty. Ouija takes casting high-quality products as its requirement. Therefore, we provide the service of replacement without repair for up to 1 year if any non-human damage. You can contact our after-sales service department directly and we will solve your problems within 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Lets you can food at different temperatures, pressures per the recipe. I used to have the older version of these before, which were not as good as this new design. This new design is better built and more accurate. Some of the canning recipes I use specify 10 psi instead of the customary 15 psi canning pressure. The canning pressure directly affects the temperature of the canning process. This is a must-have. I do feel the price I paid was way high and I needed 2 each of these pressure regulators, but I will never have to buy them again, so I bit since I could not find them cheaper anywhere else but here on Amazon. I inherited my grandma's 50-year-old Presto canners which work as good as new, even now, with these new regulators.